Ooh, ooh. Y'all seeing that? I mean, are y'all seeing? Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly here, back at it again with another video. And today I decided to finally bite the bullet and try a chit chat get ready with me. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try it because I figured, you know, I should sit down and like talk to y'all and like really, you know, interact on an intimate basis with you guys, especially since I've been gone for so long, you know, like you have a lot to catch up on. So I hope you enjoy, and well, I guess let's get started. Like, this is so different, like you don't do segues. Okay, whatever. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to go out to a fete tonight, Tribe Ice. It's really popular in Trinidad, and I'm excited because I really love the last Tribe Ice that I went to, and it was real fun, real good memories. So I'm going with a different group of friends this time around, and some people I've never really met, but I'm excited, you know, it's a chance to meet new people. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. Maybe I might vlog it. Most likely I won't because I suck so bad at vlogging parties, but we'll see. I go try a thing. So yeah, so I'm just gonna, I guess, start off with my hair because obviously the edges and everything, we gotta fix this situation. I can't be going out so crusty and dusty, so I'll probably do that off camera, and my brows, and then we will come back and we will finish this conversation. Okay, so I'm back. Brows are did, looking good, looking snatched. So now I'm just gonna go into my juviasplace palette, the Nubian. Don't mind that it's looking a little dusty. Don't worry about that. That's not your problem. That's my problem. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to you know, talk to y'all about the real reason why I haven't been uploading as often on YouTube. Gosh, this is hard because I'm trying to look for things and talk to y'all at the same time. So I'm sorry if I'm not making eye contact, but you know I'm talking to you, right? Right. So yeah, the real reason that I haven't been posting on YouTube, which you would have known briefly, I just briefly spoke about it in my last video, was that because of my school commitments, I haven't really been having a chance to upload throughout the semester. This semester that just went here, I haven't really had a chance to upload at all, and it's mainly because I am a perfectionist. So therefore I knew that I wasn't going to be able to produce the kind of quality content for y'all that I wanted to produce, because I would have been doing it just to get it done, and you would have seen that come across on camera. You'd have seen my frustration on camera. Like I had recorded videos to put out on YouTube for during the term. I recorded like about 2 more after my last, and I hated them because the content just, it looked so forced and it looked so strained, and like I didn't want to be there, and I didn't want that to translate on camera, and I didn't want you as the viewer to be watching me and being like, this girl looks like she's, you know, she don't even want to be on the camera. Why is she doing this? Like, I didn't want to come out here on the tube and embarrass myself basically, because like I just was not in the headspace. Like I was really focused on school because I'm trying really hard to make sure that my grades are perfect. I really want good grades at the end of the day, and I was starting a whole new course because I actually left school and started a whole new course that was completely different from what I was previously doing. So that was something, and then I just really dived into my work, and I realized that it was definitely a lot more than I expected. So I dived into my work and I just didn't have the time, the energy, because it's a lot of work. Like, you have courseworks, you have labs, you have assignments. I wasn't ready. I just wasn't in the correct frame of mind, the correct headspace to be, you know, juggling quality content producing, being a quality content producer, video producer on YouTube, and competing against really, you know, great YouTube channels out there. And I come out with my show. I up on here like, hey, what's up? Yeah, this is what I gotta do with my hair, this is what I gotta do with my face. Like, no, y'all don't deserve that. Y'all deserve a pop-up Kimberly. That's what you deserve. Me at my best, not at my worst. Oh, by the way, I used these two shades to using as a transition color right now. We can't really see it yet, but she gonna be popping. What is it? So now I'm just taking a denser blending brush to try to get into that crease. And with this color, this one. Oh yes, I was going to talk to you all about the other side of the other reason why I didn't post so often. Another aspect of it was that my heart wasn't in it. I also wasn't feeling very motivated to continue posting. So apart from already having no energy to post, I didn't feel motivated to post in the first place. So that was just a recipe for disaster. So I already would come on here looking like a one fool. As bad as it sounds, I just was not in the mood. Like, YouTube takes a lot of energy, like, to translate your personality as genuinely as you can across on camera. Like, I want y'all to get to know the real me and to see me as I am, and to get that to translate on camera sometimes is really hard because I'm so focused on what I'm trying to do that I forget to sometimes have fun with it. And then to me, I come out looking stiff. Like, in my opinion, I find I look stiff on the camera sometimes, or like I'm trying to, like, it doesn't seem like me, like how I know me to be. So I watch it. I mean, obviously y'all enjoy it and it's still quality content, but I watch it, I'm just like, So yeah, that was definitely like frustrating and, you know, demotivating when you want to see something in yourself on the camera and it doesn't translate as well as it did in your head in real life. And I guess that was a demotivating factor as to why I stopped YouTube for so long as well. It just, the motivation wasn't there. So that was mainly it. I just didn't have the energy or the motivation, and I lacked time management. But I definitely have a plan for this time around. Trying to record in bulk before the semester starts so that I'll have enough, you know, quality videos coming your way. Guess what I did today? So I went to this makeup boutique in Trinidad and I got a whole, well, not a whole bunch, but like I got a little bit of products. It was my Christmas gift from my mom. She got me a gift card to spend some of her money. I got this new Morphe brush, this new blending brush, because it's like really tiny and tapered, so I can get really into my crease because I have like hooded eyes, so like it needs a lot of blending. Let me see how, oh yes, this is exactly what I wanted in my life. It gets literally right into there, like right in there. I feel like I'm gonna add some orange. I feel like orange is honestly the best transition shade for chocolate girls, my black girls out there. Like just like a orange hue in your eye, it just warms up your face so much. I also got a pigment that I will also be using today that I'm excited to try because it's really well known here. I'm not sure if it's an international brand or not. I think it's a Trinidadian brand. I'll probably double check on that for you. I probably won't. Okay, so that needs to blend out, and then I think that'll be, oh crap, what did I do? Okay, and I think, by the way, I haven't done eyeshadow in months. Like I haven't done eyeshadow since like my birthday, so that's October. I feel like I forgot everything I knew. I really feel like I forgot everything I knew. And then I'm butchering this, and I hope I don't, but I feel like I am. but you know, like sometimes things just happen, so you know, you just have to roll with the punches and, you know, go with the flow. Hope everything does, you know, I hope everything turns out all right. A clean blending brush to erase all my failures. When I tell you, I feel like this chit chat get ready with me is going downhill. 60 minutes have gone and I'm still trying to get this to work. Is it working? Oh, you gotta be honest with me, yeah? Let me know in the comments down below if this looking good to you, because I feel like it's not looking good, but I could be wrong. But I know me best, so I feel like it's not up to my standard. But what you gonna do? You know what you gonna do? I try. I mean, it's better than most people that I know. So y'all shouldn't even be talking. If you can't even put on a lipstick, you can't be coming for me. That's just the fact of life. Okay, it's time to go in with the pigment I was telling you about. It's by Ambrosia Cosmetics, and it is in the shade, its name is Glimmer. You don't see that? Oh, she brighter than my future. To be honest, I've never worked with pigment before, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put like something sticky as a base. Should have thought of that, huh? Well, we're in too deep now, so I feel like, oh shoot, my follow was so real. Yeah, I feel like this, I'm using this incorrectly. Y'all, practice makeup every day and don't just do it when you're going out, because I have fallen out of practice so badly. Now I feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I feel like I'm a mess. Y'all, tell me the truth, huh? Tell me the truth. The truth is better than a lie. Always. Maybe if I change the light, you might see what I see. You'll see in pictures. Follow me on Instagram. I have my link in the description box. Follow me on Instagram and you'll see it in a better lighting than this video setup. But yeah, it's really pretty. Ooh, I feel like I should show you all what I'm wearing after this. Oh good, it's 23 minutes. Nah. Oh yeah, I gotta make haste. I have to make haste. Hey, okay, well I guess this is it for now until I decide if I'm gonna do a pop of color or not. Okay, I am back and it's time for an inner corner highlight. So I think I'm going to use my Morphe and jaclynhill palette. This is the Dark Magic palette, which I also got for Christmas from my cousin and aunt. So I'm really excited to use it. I really wanted to use it for this video because it's just, you know, she's been begging me to come back on YouTube, so I figured this is a nice way to, like, you know, shout her out in the video and be like, hey girl, I'm back, I'm using your palette, hi Lissy. I'm going to try to use this shade here. It's called Power Cut and this is the first time I'm using it, so let's hope it looks cute. I mean, are y'all seeing? Yes. Yes. Let me just, the difference, it brightens you, it brightens your eyes. I look bright. I look like, hi, nice to meet you. How are you? Smiles. Like Tyrant smiles. Bear with me, watch your magic happen. I'm going to take these two colors, this really shimmery blue color here, and this really dark green color, and I'm going to try to make a pop of color on the bottom of my lash and hope it works out. Play in your makeup. You have 38 colors here, but you really have like probably 165. Who knows? You actually play around it and make completely new colors. Oh! Yes, gorgeous. Okay, so you see this is more of a teal green, hunter green, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but you can see it's green, and this is really blue from before the shadow. So play in your palettes, guys. Play in your palettes. It works out in the end. Oh yes, I'm feeling this. Now we can finally move on to face. Face has definitely become one of my favorite parts of makeup. Like before it used to be eyes, but it's definitely face now, right behind highlight, because highlighting is my favorite thing to do. Yeah. Pro tip: get Huggies wipes as a makeup wipe. They are abundant, they work just as well, they are cheaper, and you get more for your money. So invest in Huggies. They're not just for babies, folks. So guys, I really didn't want to go into too much detail with my foundation routine because I already have a video up on my channel that would basically show you how I do all my steps and what order and everything, and I will link it in the cards above. But yeah, I just didn't want to go into too much detail because the video is already long enough as it is, so I'm just speeding through everything here. And if you want to have a more in-depth idea of what I do, just click the link above or in the description box below. If I don't get a chance to do a proper intro, you know why your girl was rushing. So I'm gonna try to get my outfit on, and hopefully I'll get to take a video of it.